Alright, I couldn't find a good video on this anywhere. 2007 Honda Odyssey. The driver's side sliding door actuator has failed. The cable's all ground up. The motor's still good, but we couldn't find the pieces to fix the plastic part that broke on there. So we got a whole new one. And this is what you got to do, okay? You got to pull this off. There's a bunch of 10s and Phillips holding this on. And then it just pops right off. You got to pull that trim on that side. Right here. This just pops off. And then you got to undo the seat belt. It's like everything's 14s, 10s, 12s, and Phillips. You got to pull this out. There's 4 10s holding this on. You got to pull that out. The cable goes right through here. And it goes to this bar. The cable attaches here from this side and from here on the other side. This little piece right here is the trim piece that needs to be removed. First, remove the taillight, then remove these 2 screws, one here and one right there. And then this piece slides forward and it comes off. And then you unbolt this with 2 14mm and just pick that up and pull it out of the way with your floor jack holding the door up on the bottom right there. Ideally in 2 spots. I use a wood block and a rag to do that. It's pretty straightforward. 2 connectors right here, a bolt right there, 2 bolts right there. You don't even have to take them out all the way, just loosen them. Loosen those 2, take that one out, and slide this over. There's supposed to be 2 10mm holding that on. There's only one. I'm gonna go find another one right now. And you got to take out that door speaker and that seatbelt harness, so you can fish the one from this side right there. See it right there? It goes up that way and through that way. It comes out over there. It's pretty straightforward. If you have any questions, give me a shout and I'll try to answer them. Thank you.